Okay. Now let me comment out line number 17. And I will start out with stop array to create a few stops. My next step would be to give you guys gradient colors, which is like multiple colors blend. So I'm creating a stops array for that, okay? In which I'll create some stop objects. So my first stop object, which is 0, is the green color. And my next stop object, which is 1, is the blue color. So I got a couple of stop objects. Then, after I create my stop objects, I'm going to create a linear, gradient color. Start and end. So 0, 0 is the first one. 1 is the second one. The colors should be proportional. And when I reach the end of the second color, I do not want to cycle or I do want to cycle. So in my case, I do not want to cycle. So I don't want to cycle back to the first color, okay? And these are the colors. After that, I can take my poly and I can set its fill to linear. And here I have the linear gradient.